Saute half an onion and then set it aside. In a separate bowl, mix egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of milk. And add in the sauteed onion. Mix the breadcrumb mixture into the beef. And then shape the beef into patties. Add a little oil and then fry each side of the burgers until it turns brown. And then add water until about half of the burger. And then cover. Now let's make the sauce. Mix together in the same pan where you fried your burgers, 2/3 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sake, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix all together. Just keep mixing until all the ingredients are binded together. The sauce has reduced a bit, and this is the consistency that we're looking for. There you have it, Japanese-style hamburgers. Di tayo pwedeng
pumunta sa balcony mamaya.
Bakit?
Baka lasing tayo.
May tama ba yung burger?
Meron. Masarap.
I read it's the same ingredients as the IKEA meatballs.
Interesting.
Yeah. The sake sauce.